Good morning, children. Last class I gave homework note. Take homework note. Homework note, children. First you take homework note. Last class I gave sums, no children. That we will check. After that we will go to textbook. Last class what I gave? Add the following. See, first sum 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 2. 5 plus 3, 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. Same 6 plus 2, 8 only. Here 1 plus 2, 3. 9 plus 1, 10. No children, 0. 1 you will carry. 8 plus 1, 9. Here 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 1, 1, 6. Check it, children. Take homework note and check the sums. Answers. First one 264. Second one 888. Third one 903. Fourth one 612. Now open your textbook. Textbook, page number 136, exercise number 4. Before exercise number, we will do example only. So, for example, you want to write in the rough note. Exercise number 4, but example will do addition of 3-digit numbers of 3-digit numbers. See, for 3-digit numbers, we will write 100, tens, 1. Add, example this one, add 632, second one 121 and 234. See children, this had 632, 121 and 234. This only addition of 3-digit numbers. First we will arrange the sum. 3-digit means we will write ones, tens, 100. First we will write 632. This number will write 632. After then 121. After 234. 234. Plus sign. See, this also 3-digit number. This also 3-digit number. This also 3-digit number. First we'll add ones column. 2 plus 1. 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 3. 3. These 2 first we'll add, we'll get 3. After this 3 plus 4. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. Listen children, you keep it this one only remain. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 you will write here. This 3 plus 4. Here also same thing. 3 plus 2. Tens column. Go to tens column. 3 plus 2. 3 in the mind. 2 in the finger. 4, 5. Here what will come? 5. This 5 and 3. 5 plus 3. 5 in the mind. 3 in the finger. 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 1. These two numbers first you want to add. 6 plus 1, 7. After 7 plus 2. This 7 will come, no children. This 7 and 2 will add. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 9. So 987. Write the, see example. First we will add 2 plus 1 plus 4, we will get 7. 3 plus 2 plus 3 will get 8. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Like that you want to do the addition of 3-digit number. Now we will go to page number 136. Page number 136. What we did now, Sindar, that is A4. Page number 125. 135 example sum we did know. Now page number 136, exercise number 4. Exercise number 4. Now open your page number 736, exercise number 4. Addition of 3-digit numbers. First one. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. 104 plus 213 plus 341. One's column we will add children first 4 plus 3. 4 in the mind. These two will add 4 plus 3. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. These 7 plus 1 will add now 7 and 1. 7 and 1. 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 8. Now we finish ones column. Now we'll go to tens column. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. Here we'll go to hundreds column. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. First one. Second one. Sharp your pencil. Write neatly. Don't be confused, children. 410 plus 234 plus 145. See, 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 0 plus 4, 4 children. 0 plus 4, what will get? 4. Now this 4 and this 5 if we had, we will get 9. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Third one. 217 plus 320 plus 232. Now, first we'll add 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0, how much children? 7 only will come. After that, 7 plus 2. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. Here, next we will go to tens column. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Fourth one, 285 plus 304. 304. 110. Now 5 plus 4. 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Understood, children? Like that, 4 sums we did. Next 4 we'll do. Write neatly, sharp your pencil. Then only you can write neatly. I'll give 2 minutes to write neatly. Now second line, exercise number 4, second line. Hundred, tens, ones. Fifth one, sir. Yes, fifth one. Sixth one, 100, 10, 1. Seventh one, tens, ones. Eighth one. Now first, fifth one, 3, 1, 4 plus 202 plus 352. Same thing. First we'll add 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Sixth one, 5, 6, 2. 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 7. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now, seventh one, 623 plus 165 plus 201. 3 plus 5. First we'll add ones column, 3 plus 5. 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. Here, 2 plus 6. 2 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind, 0 in the finger. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 207. 170 plus 322. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. See children, if 0, 7 plus 0, 7 only will come. So 7 plus 2, 9. 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. We finish exercise number 4. Now we'll go to exercise number 5. Before that, we'll do the examples. Finish it neatly. Take rough note, children. For example, sum. Exercise number 5. Exercise number 5. Example sum we will do in the rough note. Addition of a 2-digit number to a 3-digit number. To a 3-digit number. And with carrying. Now we are doing with carrying. So 657 and 28. See, this is 2-digit number, this is 3-digit number. This is 2-digit number. 3-digit means first we will write 100, tens, ones. After that, this 657 will write down. Next, 28. See, this is 3-digit number now, children. 3-digit. This is 2-digit. Now 7 in the mind. See, 7 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is 2-digit number now, children. So 5 will write in the ones column. This one will carry to tens column. Understood? 7 plus 8 will get 15, children. 15 in 5 is 2-digit number. So 5 you write in the ones column. Sorry, 5 you write in the ones column. 1 you carry to tens column. Now this 3 we will add. First 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. See, 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will get 6. After the 6 plus 2, 8. 6, here no number, no children. So as it is, you want to write. See, don't forget to count this. You want to count first. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Like that, you want to write the answer. Now we will go to exercise number 5. Open page number 136. Page number 136. Exercise number 5. Page number 137 now. Exercise number 5. First made, add the following. First one, 328, 84. See, here 3 circles is there now, children. This one you want to cut. Don't want that one. See, 8 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 8, 4 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, this is 2-digit number. Now, where you write 2? Ones column. 2 you write in the ones column. See, this is ones, this is tens. These ones you want to write in the ones column. This one you will carry to tens column. Now you want to, don't forget to count this. First you want to count 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. First this 2 you want to count. 1 plus 2, 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3 you will get. After that 3 you keep it in the mind, 8 in the finger. 4, 5. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 also 2-digit number. 11 also 2-digit number, no children. So we have 11. 11 you will write 1 here, carry to hundreds column. Don't write 11 as it is. You want to write 1 here, carry to hundreds column. See, once again I am saying that 8 plus 4, 12. 2 you write in the ones column, 1 you carry here. In tens column, circle 1 is there. You want to count that. First you want to count these two numbers, 1 plus 2. 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 you will get 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 3 plus 8, 11. So 11, 1 you will write here. See this 11. 1 you will write in the tens column. This one you will carry to hundreds column. Now again you count this. See here no number, but here circle, in circle number is there. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 as it is you want to write. Understood, children? Second sum. Five, 4, 2 plus 9, 5. See, 2 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Now 4 plus 9. 4 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means you want to write 3 you want to write in the tens column, 1 you carry to hundreds column. Understood, children? See, first we had ones column. 5 plus 2, 7. Here 7 is the single digit number, 1-digit number, so we return it. If 2-digit number is there, you want to write 7 here, you want to carry there. Understood? Here now 7 is 1-digit number, so I return 7 directly. Here no, in circle no number. If 2-digit only, we carry here. 9 plus 4, 13. 3 written here. Here 9 plus 4 if we add, 13 is 2-digit number. So 3 we written in the tens column, 1 you written in the hundreds column. 1 plus 5, 6. If no number here in tens column, in circle no number means leave it. Don't be confused. See, this is single digit number. So you can't carry, no children. 7 as it is we written. Here no carrying. So 4 plus 9, 13. Here 2-digit number we carry to hundreds column. Third one. $828 plus 26. 828 plus 76. Sorry. 76. 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is 2-digit number. What I said, no children, 14 is a 2-digit number. Then only we'll carry to tens column. 4 we write in the ones column. 1 will carry to tens column. If, see, in this sum, only 7, 5 plus 2, 7. Only 1-digit no. 7 we written here, no carrying here. If no carrying, leave it. You had these two numbers and write the answer. In this 4 plus 9, 13 we got now. 3 you write, 1 you take a hundreds column. Here 2 plus C, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 is 2-digit number, 4 we return, 1 we carry to. First 1 plus 2. 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 1 plus 2, 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. 0 you write here. 1 you carry to hundreds column. Now 1 plus 8. This number, this 2 number you want to add and write the answer. 904. Third one. Fourth one now. $673. 673 plus 28. 3 in the mind. See the ones column. 3 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 shall I write here? No, you can't write like this. 11. See, 11 means 2-digit number. 1 you carry to ones column. This one you carry to tens column. Now 1 plus 7. First you count this number. 1 plus 7. 1 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 9, 10. 10 is also 2-digit number. 0 you will write here. 1 you will carry to hundreds column. 1 plus 6, 7. Understood, children? 3 plus 8, 11. 1 you written here, 1 carry to tens column. First you want to count these two numbers. First these two numbers. After that, 1 plus 7, how much you will get? 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Like that you want to add. Now fifth one. Finish it neatly. We'll go to second line. Exercise number 5, second line. $727 plus 80. 7 plus 0, 7. Here no carrying. Single digit is there. So directly we return. Here 2 plus 8, 10. 2 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 0 you will write here. 1 you will carry to hundreds column. 10 is 2-digit, no children. So 0 you write here. 1 you carry to hundreds column. Now 1 plus 7. 1 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 807. Second one, 853 plus 38. 3 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 1 we will write here. 1 will carry to tens column. First 1 plus 5. 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1 plus 5, 6. That 6 you keep it in the mind. 6 you keep it in the mind. 3 in the finger. 6 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also no carrying. So 8 as it is you want to write. 9, 27. 7 plus 3, 10. 7 plus 3, 7 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 8, 9, 10. 10 no children, 10, 0 you will write here, 1 you will carry to tens column. Now first we have these two, 1 plus 2 how much? 3. 3 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 two digits. So 2 you write here. 1 you will carry to hundreds column. Now see, listen properly. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 is also 2 digit number. So here no carrying. In hundreds column, if 2 digit is there, you write directly 10. See children, listen properly. 7 plus 3, 10. We get 2 digit number, no? 0 we return. 1 we carry to tens column. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 2. We return here 1. See, in hundreds column, 1 plus 9, we will get 2 digit number. 10 means as it is, you can write. Here no, you don't want to carry up. Here no to carry, no. Here no circle and also is not there, no children. So 1 plus 9, 10 you want to write. 408 plus 88. 8 in the mind, 8 in the finger means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6. 1 you will carry to tens column. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 1 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here no carrying 4 as it is you want to write. See children, this sum once again I repeat. I repeat once again. 7 plus 3, 10. 0 you return here. 1 will carry to tens column. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 2 we return here. 1. In hundreds column, 1 plus 9, you get 10. 10 you don't write 0. You don't put here 1. As it is, you want to write 10. Understood? Now, close your textbook. Take homework note. Homework note, children. Don't write in the textbook. Now close your textbook. Textbook over. Now maths homework. I will give the homework note. Maths homework. Now leave one line here. Leave one line and write neatly. Add the following. Add the following. Now I'll give 3 sums, children. You want to do that. Last sum. Last class what I gave, 4 sums I gave, no. This class 3 sums I will give. With carrying you want to do. Okay. leave one line and start from here. This is red line, no children, in your note. See this. Write hundreds, tens, ones. First one. Circles you write. 2 circles is there. Eight. With carrying you want to do. With carrying. Seven, 6. 4. 4. Second one. 6, 9, 4. 3, 2. Third one. 5, 8, 3. 7, 6. Only 3 sums I gave children. With carrying you want to do neatly. When you are writing homework note, no, sharp your pencils and write neatly. See, first one, leave one line here. Add the following. Go to fresh page first. Don't write. If place is there, don't want to write. Go to next page, fresh page, add the following. Leave one line and write add the following. Again, leave one line. Write here under tens ones. Next line, put small circles. After, write the numbers. Do the sums properly, children. Thank you, children.